are so excited to bring to you the most advanced wellness frequency technology on the planet, a triple patented, made in Germany, and it's the best in class when it comes to molecular cellular activation.
I bet many of you didn't know that the molecules in our body, whether they're in a vital organ, in bone, muscle, nerve, they all vibrate at a very specific frequency. And our technologies address all of those molecules on all those different frequencies.
So you could say we speak the molecular language like no one else. Why is it so important to have your cells and molecules activated? Well, it has a lot to do with all of the smart devices that we're constantly surrounded with. Turns out that they're actually zapping the energy literally out of our tissues, right? So it's not a luxury. It's a necessity. It makes everything work so much better, in a sense, like the way we used to actually operate, before some of all of these, 5G technologies surrounded us all the time. So we know that this is an incredible match for the Wellness by Choice community. And that's why we're so excited to partner up with Angelina.
And we're so proud and excited to be part of the Wellness by Choice project. We are so in line with their vision.
I know that many of you have been looking for exactly this, one size fits all solution without even realizing it. Remember when Nikola Tesla said, if you want to understand the universe, think in terms of energies, frequencies, and vibrations. Well, this is essentially that paradigm change that we're seeing essentially in the entire wellness space. And we're so excited to bring this pioneering technology to the Scottsdale event and hopefully to many other future events, as well as also to our directory. So look for us in the future and health directory on the Wellness by Choice index, and we can't wait to see you and have a conversation with you to show you how our advanced entropics frequency technology can enhance your world. So much love.
Thank you very, very much.